Hello, let me take you through the conceptual overview of soft computing. What is soft computing? Soft computing is a concept which differs from conventional hard computing. In a way, unlike hard computing, it is tolerant to imprecision, uncertainty, partial truth, and approximation. In effect, the role of model for soft computing is the human mind. So, soft computing aims to model cognitive behavior of human mind. It has foundation of conceptual intelligence in machines. It is tolerant to imprecision, uncertainty, partial truth, and approximation, unlike hard computing. As per Lotfi Zadeh, founder of Fuzzy Logic, soft computing is an approach to computing that parallels the ability of human mind to reason and learn in an environment of uncertainty and imprecision. There are several differences between hard computing and soft computing. Let us see the points. Point 1, hard computing requires precise analytical model, whereas soft computing is tolerant to imprecision. Hard computing is not suited for real world problems for which ideal model is not present. Soft computing is suitable for real world problems and can compute with words. Hard computing requires full truth. It requires proper input, process, output, and a mathematical model to process it. Whereas soft computing can work with partial truth, some missing data, imprecise process, and so on. Examples of hard computing are calculator logic, database operations, cryptography, etc. Example of prediction, classification, optimization problem using soft computing methods, etc. The basic building blocks of soft computing, also called the components of soft computing, are fuzzy logic, which can deal with imprecision; artificial neural networks, which can work with learning and approximation; evolutionary computation, which can work with genetic algorithms in optimization problems; probabilistic reasoning, which can deal with uncertainty. Here are some membership functions: triangular membership function, trapezoidal membership function, Gaussian membership function, generalized Bell membership function, and sigmoidal membership function. Here are a few operations on fuzzy set: intersection, union, and complement of the set. For example, let this represent fuzzy set A and this is fuzzy set B. If we wish to take the intersection of fuzzy set A with B, the picture depicting the blue color is the intersection between fuzzy set A and fuzzy set B. Here is the union between fuzzy set A and B, represented with the blue line. Complement of the fuzzy set is anything which is greater 1 minus the original fuzzy set. Here the fuzzy set A is represented with the color A, red, and the complement of fuzzy set A is represented with the blue color. This is the basic flow of a fuzzy inference system. Accept the crisp input, fuzzify the input, apply if-then rule evaluation, obtain fuzzy output, apply defuzzification methods, and get the crisp output. Let us take an example. If it is sunny and warm today, then I will drive fast. Now, how will I represent the word sunny? It will be 100% true if there are no clouds, 80% true if few clouds, 50% true if it is hazy, and 0% true if it rains all the day. Similarly for warm. The linguistic variables can have values. Temperature can be cool, warm, or hot. Cloud cover could be overcast, partly cloudy, or sunny. The output speed could be slow or fast. Let us represent this with a crisp set. To the x-axis are the temperature in degrees Celsius and y-axis represents the membership grade. For the cold set, the values are 5 to 20 degrees Celsius. Warm is depicted with 20 to 35 degrees Celsius. Hot is represented with 35 to 48 degrees Celsius. The same values can be represented with a fuzzy set in a more realistic way. Cold can be represented with this range. Similarly, warm and hot. Now, let us take a value of temperature on the x-axis, which is 20 degrees Celsius, and let us check the membership grade on the y-axis. It could be near about 0.5. But this value lies between two fuzzy sets, the fuzzy set cold and the fuzzy set warm. Now, this temperature of 20 degrees Celsius could be considered as warm in a cold country like Canada. But in India, 20 degrees Celsius could be considered as cold. These are the membership functions for representing temperature in freezing, cool, warm and hot weather. Here is the cloud cover: sunny, partly cloudy and overcast. Now let us check the output. The fuzzy rule is, if it's sunny and warm, then I drive fast. Next rule, if it's cloudy and cool, then I drive slow. This is the membership function to represent the output whether slow or fast. The x-axis depicts the speed, the y-axis depicts the membership grade. So, this is the membership function for the output speed. Let us discuss a few advantages and disadvantages of fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic allows smooth interpolation between variable centroids with relatively few rules. If less information is available, we can still work with few rules and obtain some acceptable result. It provides a natural way to model human expertise in certain problems. However, it has some disadvantages, such as it requires tuning of membership functions and it may not scale well to large or very complex problems. Thank you.